Hello, and welcome back to Upcycling Project videos. Today we have something completely different. The DIY home energy system shows people how to save up to 85% on a solar panel system. Savings like this are possible because instead of buying an overpriced solar panel system from a solar retailer, the DIY home energy system teaches people how to get all of a solar panel system's parts from solar wholesalers for big discounts, then how to easily put together a professional quality solar panel system with those parts. The initial setup cost for the DIY home energy system will be significantly less than if you bought the same system from a solar panel retailer. And once you set up the DIY home energy system, it will continue to produce clean, renewable energy because your solar panels will convert free energy from the sun into usable electricity. You can then use this electricity to power your devices, appliances, and electronics. The DIY home energy system also shows you how to create the system you want and is not a one-size-fits-all system. So if you want a small portable energy system for your camping trip, RV, or tailgate, you'll learn how to easily put together a system like this. Or if you want to scale up the system to power something like a whole cabin, you'll learn how to do this as well, and yes, anyone can do this. Please read below, and click on the link for more information. Don't forget to subscribe, and follow our channel.